What's up guys, this is Devon with Repair My Funnel, and in this video I'm just going to walk you through a day in the life of fixing people's tech problems. Come on, it's pretty fun. Alright, getting into it, it looks like we have something from Jessica today where she's needing help with split path URLs. So in this, she's essentially saying she wants a way to have people to go directly to a split test on her confirmation page. Now if you know anything about ClickFunnels out of the box without a little sprucing up, if you wanted somebody to specifically go to your split test by a link that you provide them, there's not really a way to do that naturally. It's going to either go to your split test or your control based on how often you are telling ClickFunnels to do so. So if it's a 50-50 split, 50% of the time it'll go to the control, 50% of the time it'll go to the split, but there's a way around this with something called short links. So let's actually go inside of ClickFunnels. I have the funnel open here. They mentioned it was the webinar funnel. I can see the split test right here for 50-50. What I'm going to do is I'm going to preview this page, and then we're going to go to live page. Once I do that, I'm going to grab this URL, and then I'm going to come up here and I'm going to duplicate this tab. The reason why I'm going to duplicate this tab is because I want to just make it easy to kind of flip back and forth here. So we're going to go out of here, and then we're going to hop over here to the apps. Now if you're not seeing short links in the workspace you are in, hop over here to add an app and add the short links option. In this workspace here, the short links are already there, so it's easy enough. We'll just click short links, and then we're going to go ahead and we are going to add a new URL redirect here. Okay, so basically we'll go ahead and give this a name. We'll call it V2, and then you have the option to select the domain. So we're just going to do this for this scenario here, and then the target URL is actually going to go ahead and be that URL that we copy to our clipboard, and so it's going to be this one here, right? So it's going to essentially end up on that split. And so what we'll do is we're just going to go ahead and create the URL redirect. And now one thing I want to make sure of, because it doesn't look like there's actually that much variation, is I want to do something to this page so I know if it's ending up there, even aside from the URL. And so I'm going to go in here just to make sure this is working. We can always change something back. I'm going to change, let's say, this to a different color. Let's do something drastic. So the top headline here is red, okay? And so we've saved that. We're good to go. We're going to come out of here. We have the URL redirect in this here. So let's go down to this here. We'll click to copy. We have it on our clipboard. Let's go in an incognito window and let's see what happens. So we'll paste this in here, and now we'll see we are actually going to the split test. It looks like our changes didn't propagate just yet, but if we refresh it aggressively enough times, we'll see. There we are. So we've successfully found a way to actually get to the split end of a path without having to wait for that 50-50 shift. So hopefully this was very helpful for you guys. We have a lot of fun here at Repair My Funnel, fixing people's tech problems. If that's something that you want, for a limited time we're actually offering this service for just $1 upfront for 30 days. So you really have nothing to lose if you want to give it a try. If you have tech problems with ClickFunnels that you want to offload on Tyson and I, we'd love to have you.